Hey guys, it's Melly Games and I'm going to be buying the Wolf Box. So, the Wolf Box is legendary because I already checked it out, but I didn't want to do it without you guys, so I came over here. So, I'm going to be driving over there with my little aunt. My blue rider goes wacko everywhere because I don't know how to drive it. It's just fast. So I'm just gonna be going. I believe it's located between the pizza place and the hair salon place too. Oh, wrong way. What am I doing? Okay, backing up. So I'm gonna push no because I'm going to place the release after I get the chest. So yeah, I'm gonna park it right there. I wanna equip it because my aunt can't come inside there. So I'm finally here. Looks kinda spooky. I think this is new because the last Halloween update, it was not like this. But anyway, gonna buy the Wolf Box. I am not going to open it. I'm gonna open it after Spleef. And if I die in Spleef, okay, I'm still opening it. I'm not gonna spectate. I actually can't wait. So I'm going to go. Hurry up, game. Come on, start. Start. I want to play Spleef. Okay, it's starting soon. Yay! It's on here. I hope I don't fall. Oh. I'm gonna go full on running. This game is actually really fun. There's this game related to that. And, I don't know what it's called. But something like this. So I'm just gonna go slow because on the platforms so I can have more time. And I won't fall easier. So because if you stay on there for a long time and then you hop on a other platform, then you're gonna be fine. But for real, trying to get all this. No, I died. Well, they killed me because they ran into me. I was trying to jump onto the other platform. They were already over there. So, man. Well, now I'm going to be getting my Wolf Box and opening it. But I'm gonna find another place to open it because I just wanna, put it. I'm still gonna be inside the place, the spooky haunted house, but I'm going to be in here. So I'm not opening it right in to this minigame. I'm opening it somewhere else. So, this is my outfit for Halloween. I will not be keeping this forever, just like my Halloween thing. So, now I'm gonna be opening it in front of this Unicorn cycle. Does not look that nice. A ghost wolf. Nice. I believe that is not rare. That is rare and it's common. Yeah, it's common but rare at the same time. You get what I'm saying? Bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment what I should do next.